Remove the rubber cap. Use the 12mm X tool provided on this end of the axle. Use the 19mm wrench to unscrew the axle nut. Use the flower hex tool provided to loosen the 2 screws. You need not remove them totally. Knock out the axle. The axle will come off on the side without brakes. Remove the whole rim set. Remove the inner tube valve cover. Use a small tool to poke the valve and release all the air inside. You can wrap your tire pry to protect your rim from scratches. Insert the pry between the rim and tire. Flip the tire out of the rim as shown. Make sure you keep that pry there first. Pull out the whole bottom side of the tire. It will slowly come off one side. Use a 12mm wrench to loosen the nut of the inner tube. Pull out the inner tube valve from the rim. The inner tube can be pulled out for the change. You can also easily pull off the tire from the rim for the change too. Place the new inner tube or new tire together. Place the valve back through the rim. Pry the tire back onto the rim. Make sure to be careful not to pinch the inner tube. Screw back the inner tube valve nut back onto the valve. Pry the tire back onto the rim. Keep that pry there to secure its position. Use another pry to pry another end of the tire back onto the rim. Keep doing so until most of the tire is back on the rim. Make sure the valve is fully tightened. Use our VM tire inflator air pump and flatten the inner tube. Place the spacer on the brake side. Insert back the axle from the non-brake side. Tighten the axle nut. Tighten the two screws.